Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by registering your site in the Recaptcha admin console. This supplies two keys you need. Choose Recaptcha V2 when you want visible checks, or V3 for invisible scoring, and enter your exact domain names. Once done, copy the site key for client pages and the secret key for server verification, then store the secrets securely. Make sure to enable the correct settings like action names for V3, and proceed to integrate the client script on your front end immediately. Now implement the client and server steps together. Add the Google script tag to your pages and render the widget for V2 or call Recaptcha. Execute for V3 with a descriptive action. Once the user completes the challenge or a token is returned, send that token to your backend with the form data. On the server, post the token and your secret key to Google's Site Verify endpoint and inspect success, score, and action fields. Make sure to validate action names and enforce a score threshold if using V3. Finish by gating critical operations behind successful Recaptcha verification. You should reject submissions that fail verification or fall below your score threshold. Once deployed, monitor the Recaptcha admin dashboard for unusual failure rates and traffic patterns, and log verification outcomes server-side for audits. If legitimate users are blocked, lower thresholds or switch versions. If attackers pass, tighten thresholds or add additional checks. One troubleshooting tip: if tokens always fail, confirm server time, secret key, and that you post to the correct verification endpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.